Back to the class 2 children. So in the last class we were talking about the different patterns on the nature. Okay. Now you will be asking me a question, and before ending the first video I was just talking about the patterns around you. Okay. At home and all I was talking. Okay. Now you will ask me a question. Ma'am, do you think patterns are available only with those things? Are we not going to have any patterns in our math? In what way the math is related with the patterns? Okay, I'll just show you with a small example. Let me take any two words. Okay, any two letters. Any two letters. For example, A and Z. Why do I take this? Is the last letter and the first letter. That's combination I've taken. So I've taken A Z. Okay, the next will be again A Z. The next will be again. It starts with the letter A. Children, watch carefully. I just tell you in what way the math is related with the patterns. Okay? See, it is there in the first place. It is the first box, and this is there in the second, and third. It is again repeated, and then the fourth it is again repeated, and then again the fifth. Now, first, third, and fifth. Now, 1, 3, 5 are odd numbers. And 2, 4, 6 are even numbers. Look here children, I will give you the tactics. See, here the 8 is always available in the odd numbers place. And the even numbers like 2, 4, those places are filled with this Z. So, see, this is what is the relation of patterns with maths. You got the concept children? That is why we have this pattern in the maths. You all understood children? Now you will ask me a question. Is it only for the letters? No, it is even for the numbers. Let us take an example. Okay. So I have taken here 3 sets of numbers. Okay. Maybe 5 and 7. Okay. 3, 5, 7. Next will be again 3, 5, 7. And it goes on. Okay children. So you will have even the letters, the words, letters and words, and it will be also having with numbers. Okay. Next, you are going to see with the shapes. You all know the shapes, right? You all know what are the shapes, basic shapes we have. We have circle, triangle, square, rectangle, all those shapes. Even those shapes also forms with the patterns. For example, I have taken only 2 shapes: circle, square, and this is also having some shapes. This all know. If you see in your mother's saree, this you can see these shapes. And instead of the shapes, they will also have some bird, flowers, and all those things which is repeated on Amma's pallu and on all those borders. If you check your children, you will definitely have your patterns. And for an example, if you see your curtains at home, that will also have some patterns. Today, everyone should go and check your curtains at home. So, we have seen on the letters, we have seen on the numbers, and we have seen even with the what? Shapes. Okay, next. Ma'am, is it anything like drawings? We have this patterns. Of course, you have it even for your drawings. For an example, I have taken the small box. For an example, okay. Now I have taken one smiley face as a smile first, and second will be angry face, and again it will be a smiley and a angry face. See, it keeps on continuing. It goes and goes and this emoji continues. Okay, so this also has some emotions. Okay, sometimes you get very happy and going out for the PT period and having the library period or going for the swimming period. When you come to when the teacher asks you to write the class of your mood will be like this, right? So this is also getting repeated. Yes, no children? Yeah. So you will have even on your emotions, you will have on your shapes and everything. And of course, you will have even your colors. Okay? As I told you, you can also have it on your colors. You can have it on your colors. Say I have taken a small box and I have drawn 3. Now I am going to use 3 different colors in it. First box I am going to use only white. Okay, this is covered with white. Second box I am going to cover with purple. And third box I am going to cover with orange. Okay, so this is white and this is purple and this is the orange. So the next repetitions will be how you will have white and you will have purple and you will have orange. So it goes and goes on, it continues. Okay children, so the patterns are seen everywhere around us, even in the nature places around you. Okay, children. So see you in the next